Hello.
Hello?
It's this one. And it's just, they're all low flow. Yeah, that one's no good. All right, well, let's see what's going on. Okay. Huh. Interesting. Honestly, that just needs to be replaced. I mean, that's old. Let's check the aerators on these first and see if that helps at all. I can't get these aerators off, dude. And the sensor on this is just not working because it's on right now because of, there's a little switch right here, and you can, now it's not working at all. That's weird. 'Cause it was off, and then I hit this little, there's just a little switch right there. See that red thing? Now it's not doing anything. Huh. Hate to say it there, Gene, but you're gonna have to replace these, my friend. I don't think there's anything I can do for you. All right, I'm gonna call Bradley and see. Oh. This isn't too bad. That's granite. It's getting kind of crusty though. It'll be easy to replace. Just some drop-in sinks. Not that we have to do everything, but let me call Bradley.
Product troubleshooting or installation assistance. Press. Please hold.
All right, so I'm on hold, and the guy thinks that it's probably the solenoid valve, but I sent him some photos, and he's going to check them. I'm on hold, and then once he checks them, he'll diagnose. But I had the faucet on, and I unplugged this, and it was still flowing. So yeah, the solenoid valve's gonna be in there because that's where the water's connected. But I wonder. All right, so the verdict is, he said obviously, test it, see if that does anything, but they don't make parts for this one anymore. It's too old, is what he said. So, yeah, I have to get a new one.